Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can check your rank on Hunting Sniper application. Keep watching the video till the end. To check your rank on Hunting Sniper, firstly go ahead and launch open your Hunting Sniper application. The home page of Hunting Sniper application will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on ranking option at the top left side of the page. On the next page, you can check and see your rank displayed on the screen. This is how you can check your rank on Hunting Sniper's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.